Continuing with finding the trig functions of certain angles, 15 asks us to find the cosecant of 11 pi over 6. Now to find cosecant on the unit circle, we need to locate 11 pi over 6 and then do 1 over the y value. So 11 pi over 6 is right here. So if I look at the ordered pair, the square root of 3 over 2 comma negative 1/2, I'm just going to take the y coordinate and then do 1 over that. So 1 over negative 1/2. Now whenever you do 1 over a fraction, you can actually just flip that fraction. So instead of negative 1/2, this will be negative 2 over 1, which is just negative 2. I mean, if you want to confirm that, you can just take 1 divided by negative 0.5 and you'll get negative 2. But really for any fraction, 1 over a fraction, it'll just be the flip or reciprocal of that fraction. Now for tangent of pi, tangent, to find that on the unit circle, you want to do y over x. So if I locate pi, it's right here. So my coordinates are here. So x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 0, and they want us to do y over x, so 0 over negative 1, and that's just equal to 0.